A brand new tank engine was racing across the Southeastern Railway. This was his first day and he didn't want to be late. Right on time. Tombo, Humphrey, I would like you to meet Dewey from the Southward Railway. As you can see, he is here to help carry trains on both lines. Hello, very nice to meet you. Well, your names seem to be Tombo and Humphrey, I suppose.
Indeed.
Same here. Why, I have never seen such polite machines before. You know, I think I might actually feel comfortable working on this railway. That's a good engine, Dewey. There's nothing like determination. Now your first job is to take a whole bunch of coal trucks to the stations, for there's a snowstorm on the way, so be careful. Don't worry, sir. I'll be careful. Goodbye, Tombo.
See you later, Dewey.
Even though Dewey was making some wonderful record time, Humphrey couldn't help but be impressed. A little while later, the skinny controller came to see him. Now Humphrey, I want you to take some goods trains to the yards tonight. They're heavy, so be careful.
Aye, aye, sir.
Hey, don't you want any help there, Humphrey? I'm sure that Dewey might be along to help you.
No thank you, Alfred. I'm sure I can handle the train myself, you know.
You know, I tried to warn him, but he just wouldn't listen to me.
Humphrey was straining with the heavy goods train. He really did need help, but he was too fed up to care. He was chuffing with all his might until he ran out of coal.
Oh, bugger!
Naturally, his engineer phoned for help. It wasn't long before he rushed back to the big green engine with some unfortunate news.
Dewey's the only engine available.
Dewey? Oh, bugger!
Hello there, Humphrey. I've come to help you.
Yeah, I suppose so.
Hey, no need to worry. I've got some more coal for you. Together, you and I will carry the heavy goods to the big station. I guarantee that.
Well, in that case, all aboard, back to the big station.
So with Humphrey's tender full of coal, he and Dewey managed to carry the heavy goods back to the station where the skinny controller was waiting for them. Well done, Dewey. I knew I can count on you.
Yeah. Thank you for helping me, Dewey.
No problem, Humphrey. I am glad to be joining the Southeastern Railway with pride.